Alright, good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those joining for the first time, my name is Diana, and I like to create different content on lifestyle. And for today's video, I'm going to be doing what I eat in a day. I really been wanting to do this for a while. For those who don't know, I'm actually living abroad right now. I'm in Spain for a few more months. I'm going to be here till the summer. And yeah, so what I eat really changed because of where I am. And also eating more healthy. I've incorporated way more vegetables than before, more fruits and protein shakes and other stuff like that. So I'm excited to show you all what I eat. It's really updated from the other times. I went to Aldi yesterday, I did some groceries. I still have to buy a few more, but I am set for the weekend until I go to Mercadona. Mercadona is like the biggest and the best store in my opinion here. It has more like products than smaller stores. But yeah, so I'm gonna start off with my breakfast right now. I'm gonna make some oatmeal with blueberries, banana, peanut butter, and you're gonna see the whole recipe right now. And yeah, so I am sorry for this background noise right now, but my neighbors are crazy. All right. Well, let's get started. Okay, please do not pay attention to me. I know I look busted. I have acne on my face. This is not my spring. It's horrible. Alright. So, ingredients: oatmeal, cinnamon, vanilla, coconut, like shredded coconut, one full like ripe banana, the sweetest for me. Oat milk, blueberries. And this natural yogurt, you won't find it in the US. Or you can find natural protein yogurt anywhere in the US. Here it's harder in some places to find. And it has no sweetness, it's all natural. So I use this to add my protein to my oatmeal on top. So this is gonna be a topping. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of brown sugar. But yeah, let's get started. Alright, please disregard the dirty stove, but it's not my turn to clean it. I put like a cup. No, actually 2 cups of milk. So then I warm this up and then I'm gonna toss in the oatmeal. After 2 minutes, you add your cup of oats. And so after 4 minutes, you're gonna add a smashed banana to the mix. And it's gonna be like the natural sweetener. And then you're gonna add some vanilla. You mix. Then you're gonna add a little bit of cinnamon. You can definitely add it to your tasting, but mine is even less than half a spoon because then it just becomes really too strong, especially because this is a very small serving. And even then, look, this is a lot. Alright, so it's basically done, so I'm just gonna add some coconut, and then I'm just gonna let this boil for 2 more minutes. Also, if you want it even sweetener, you can use brown sugar. I use like the panela one. Alright, so I put it on lower heat, and I'm actually gonna add 2 dates. I just chopped them up, and like a spoon of peanut butter. And it's like no added sweetener into the peanut butter, so it's really natural. Mix it. And I really like my oatmeal looking very thick. Alright, so I started topping off my oatmeal and I completely forgot that I am actually vlogging. So I had my blueberries, of course I washed them. I cut up 4 strawberries, they're pretty large. I'm just gonna add them. And they're washed already. And then here I'm just gonna add a little bit of protein yogurt. Alright, I'm gonna dig in. It's really good. The blueberries are a little sweet too, so that helps. I'm actually gonna make green tea. And then I'm gonna go for a walk to the park and to read a little bit before I go to the gym. Alright, so I just got home from the gym and I'm actually just waiting on my roommates to head out. Meanwhile, I'm gonna be eating this pear. Oh, it's so good. I'm starving, it's late. I'm gonna eat some of these too, the snack Muay Thai cereals from Aldi. And then I'm gonna go make my protein shake and then make my wrap for lunch. gonna have a small lunch, but I'm gonna buy a big dinner tonight. I like it. It's pretty good. It's sweet. I love sweet pears, but I don't eat them that often. I don't know why. Alright, so my roommates finally left, so I'm gonna make my smoothie. It's gonna have just strawberries and then oat milk, just a little bit, then I add water. 2 scoops of this isolated whey protein. It's coconut flavor, half a banana, and some spinach. Make sure to get your veggies and your smoothies. Sometimes I have peanut butter, but this time since I had it in my oatmeal, I just want 2 scoops of protein instead in my shake. Sometimes I only have 1 scoop of protein, depending. Glute day, I for sure take 2 scoops. So yeah, that's what I'm drinking. I added everything and I added to the blender, and now I'm just gonna blend it up. I think I'm for sure gonna need a little bit more water that I put in here because this blender is not that great. That's my Ninja blender in the US, which I miss so much. So I am sauteing a little bit of spinach because it froze in the fridge. I don't know, I have a poor fridge because it froze and I just needed it fresher for the wrap. So I just cut a little bit of the top of the tortilla, and then I'm just gonna add my 4 toppings here, and then I'm just gonna go in and fold it, and then I'm just gonna heat it up in the pan so it can get like toasty. So I just added my spinach. I'm gonna go in with some pesto. I really love pesto. It's one of my favorite things in the world. Not too much. Then I'm gonna go in with some turkey. Like it's just deli. I'm putting a handful amount since it's kind of my protein for my meal. And then I'm gonna go in with some mozzarella. I'm just gonna take it in with my hands. Obviously you can cut it, but I'm lazy. I'm grabbing a good amount of mozzarella. Just putting it there. I'm so hungry. I'm so excited for this. Alright. And then we go here. There you go. Kind of squish it. If you're really hungry, you can eat 2 of these, but since I have a protein shake, I'm not gonna eat 2 of them. Alright, so now I'm just gonna put this in, squish it to make sure that it stays all together, and then I literally like cook on each side on low for like 3 minutes so it can get crunchy. Alright, so these are the final results. This is how the wrap looks, and it should be crunchy from the outside. This is my smoothie. I have a little bit more in the blender to drink, and then I'm gonna eat it with some Cholula sauce. But I'm starving, so I'm gonna dig in. I already ate the pear. I might eat something else as a snack after this because I think that this might not fill me up completely. But I didn't want 2 wraps because that was just too much. So I'm just gonna eat this right now, and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit to see what else I eat during the day. Alright everyone, that was it for the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Of course, for dinner, as you saw, I did go out and eat with some friends. It was someone's birthday. Their parents were nice enough to pay for us. So I really had fun. It was a great night. And yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, got some ideas of what I ate. Also to see that even though I've been really strict on my fitness and what I'm eating and not eating out that much, I only eat out like 2 or max 3 times out a week, but I really try to keep it at 2. That I still try to treat myself and eat what I enjoy and not only eat vegetables and be plain. And more to come with my fitness journey. I've been on a roller coaster, like ups and downs of what I've been doing, and now I feel like I'm actually seeing results. Now I'm actually being efficient, so I'm gonna be sharing that more with you all, hopefully giving you all some tips and sharing some of the pictures, because honestly, I've seen the transformation and I'm really excited because I'm still going and I have so much more to achieve this year, and I'm really excited to share it in my channel. Yeah, that is all. Hope that you're all doing well. Please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. It means the world to me, and have a great day. Bye.